Hiya there, pal. I'm doey. I wasn't expecting you. You're like me. That means both of us can get into places the others can't. Don't you see how special that makes us? You're not much of a talker, are you?
No, doey. Actually, I can speak. I just don't waste my time with simple, idiotic indie horror characters like you.
Well, that's not very nice to say.
Yeah, well, don't even get me started on your cat friend over here. He was light work.
Oh, that's Catnap. He was another follower of the prototype. Such a sad story, along with all the experiments that went on.
Yeah, I don't care, buddy.
Wait, if you were powerful enough to defeat Catnap, me and you could defeat the prototype.
Right, and where exactly is this prototype of yours?
We don't know where the prototype is located, but you can help us find him.
Bruh.
Please, help keep us safe.
What do you mean, us and we?
Come this way. Let me show you.
Fine. You're lucky I'm bored.
I didn't catch your name, friend.
I've gone by many names, but for you and for a lot of people out there that know me, I'm Cartoon Cat.
Cartoon Cat? That's a little on the nose, don't you think?
You know, I'm actually not a cat. I just prefer this form right now because it's perfect for the times.
Yeah, if the time period was 1930.
Hey, you better watch it, pal.
I'm sorry. If you're not a cat, then what are you actually?
I'm something beyond your wildest imagination. The void opening up into the pit of darkness, absence of light, and despair.
Oh my goodness! I didn't mean to get you all riled up. Well, anyways, we're here.
Where is here?
This is our safe haven. We created this place to keep all the kids safe. Safe from him.
Really? Because this place looks pretty empty to me. I don't see any kids here.
They're a little shy. Let me ease them out. It's okay, everybody. I found a friend that can help protect us against the prototype.
Kill it! Kill it again! Die! Die! Die, you stupid purple cats!
Ah, no! What are you doing? You killed Pablo!
Oh, my bad. That was a good one.
You imbecile!
Look, Doey, I said I'm sorry. Move on.
No! No! The gentle voices lie! I should have never trusted you! Never brought you here!
Bro's about to crash out.
Killed my friend! Hurt back! Always hurt back! You'll die for this!
Here we go, folks. Wow, for once in my 9 lives, I think I found a worthy opponent.
You will suffer for what you've done!
Damn, you really like Pablo, huh? the frick am I supposed to beat you if you just keep coming back to life, Doey? Wow, now I know how the viewers at home feel.
You can't beat 900 pounds of pure dough!
Aha! You see, that's where you're wrong, buddy, because I can be whatever I want, as big as I want! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! What are you made of? Because Play-Doh needs to start taking notes.
You're gonna find out exactly what I'm made of!
Aha! Subject 1322, also known as Project Doey, is made up of exactly what you think he is. Except here at Playtime Co., we added a little more special ingredients, if you know what I mean. Our little concoction was a mixture of 3 dead children and a dash of the substance provided here by the factory, which is where you find the nitrogen canisters that freeze this abomination into a piece of art. Wow, you sure do talk a lot, and you remind me of a friend I know from Gravity Falls. Well, hopefully I can be your friend too. The name's Sawyer, hardly Sawyer, but you can call me the Doctor. Well, what's up, Doc?